Now this illustration deals with luminaires over a spa or a hot tub in accordance with NEC 680.43b as in boy. Now let's review the NEC loop. Outdoors 680.42, 680.22b1 deals with a spa or hot tub located outdoors. Indoors, the NEC loop states 680.43b1 little b and GFCI protection rule 680.44. Now, a figure loop for receptacles and switching outlets, see figures 10-37 and 11-42. So notice as you locate certain things around a spa or hot tub, in accordance with 680.43b, the figure loops send you to the areas to review the things that could be installed in and around a spa or a hot tub. Now notice the spa or hot tub is located at least 5 foot from the walls. A hanging fixture or a hanging paddle fan has to be at least 7 foot 7 inches as shown. Now, the folks in the water of the spa or hot tub, enjoying the comfort of a spa or hot tub, notice these luminaires, though, can't be lower and be put there, even GFCI protected, in accordance with NEC 680.43b now is what figure 11-31 is illustrating with these hanging fixtures or ceiling fans above the spa or the hot tub is illustrated in this figure.